Okay, let's talk a minute about bucket tech. Now, I've had a lot of questions about me using the cooler, and I love this thing. I think it works amazingly. Bucket tech works just fine, especially if all you're using is CVG or CV or just coir. But this kind of gives me a peace of mind, a guarantee that I'm getting good pasteurization. The bucket tends to lose heat fairly quickly, but this here will keep the heat for hours upon hours. As a matter of fact, normally when I make sub, I'll make it one day and then I will bag it the next day. I'm getting ready to bag some today. As you can see, there's my CV. I don't use gypsum. I stopped using gypsum a couple years ago in pretty much everything. I've seen them use it in LC, I've seen them use it in grains, I've seen them use it in sub. I did a little testing of my own, side-by-side comparisons, and there was literally not a single difference in any of those things. The LC, the grains, the sub, it just wasted money, time, and an extra ingredient that I gotta worry about. So I completely cut it out of everything. I don't use gypsum in anything. But this one retains the heat so well. I mean, it's not special. It's not the locking kind. It's not the Yeti type cooler. It's just a basic cooler, hard side. But it holds the heat so much that the next day when I go to bag, it is still hot. I mean, hot. Like almost to where I don't want to touch it hot. And I normally won't bag in the morning after I've made it. I will, pour some plates, do some transfers, whatever I'm gonna do, and then I will bag it at the end of the day, and I do not use it that day. What I do is I bag it, rinse out the cooler, dry it out with a towel, and then I stack all of my bags back in the cooler for storage. And then normally I will spawn to bulk the following day. That's how long this holds heat. Does a great job. Okay, well, that'll be it for today. You guys stay safe out there, and happy cultivating.